Hello guys, my name is Omicron Glover and I want to show you my favorite plants in my garden. Let's go!
What do you think when you hear about cauliflower? You must remember the mountains, the high blend with identical with cool weather, right?
But do you know that cauliflower can be grown in the lowlands and the extreme weather?
Here in West Kalimantan, I grow cauliflower. It takes perseverance and adjustment to grow.
Oh, this is my first time growing cauliflower and the results are very satisfying. Like, I planted this in early January and after 3 months, it's ready to harvest.